store toy organization hack. That's really, that's a mouthful to say. Hey everyone, welcome back to A Mom for Every Season. If you're brand new, my name is Taryn and I am a mom of 3 little kiddos under the age of 6. And I would love for you to stick around, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, I will show you my toy bin organization here. So when you walk into families' homes, you tend to see some sort of toy organization. Most families do. These cube organizers are quite popular. You can get them from like IKEA. We have 2 in our basement that are IKEA, and then this one I believe is closet made. And so of course that's not from the dollar store, and neither are these bins here. But I'll show you inside how I organize them, and those are from the dollar store. The other ones that are popular are kind of just the open bins that kids can just, they tend to be like different colors, and kids can just throw them in. I do like the cube ones just because you can kind of just like hide the toys away, because this is our living room. We do have a playroom in the basement, but in our I just like toys to kind of be put away, like especially if you have company over, you could just like throw them in the bin. But I find that a con of these is like you can't really organize within them, which is what I did with my little dollar store organization. All right, little Miss Avery woke up, so hopefully she's not too noisy now. But so I have this cube organizer. Like I said, we have the IKEA ones in the basement, which are only 4. But I love this one because I have 3 kids, so each kid gets their own bookshelf and gets their own toy bin. And we generally try and keep most of the toys in the playroom, but they are allowed to have some upstairs. Avery is checking out Cohen's bin, so here I'll get into the dollar store hack. So rather than piling in a whole bunch of toys, I love these bins that you can hide the toys. But rather than piling in a whole bunch of toys and not being able to find stuff when you want to, or the kids like literally they'll just dump the whole bin, and then you have to clean up the whole thing all at once. So here you can see, actually this is one of my older daughters, and it has Barbie clothes in it, so she'll put all her Barbie clothes in here. This is just an empty one, and I believe these were just $1.25 or something here in Canada. I'm sure they're cheaper in the States. And so we just organize them. So here in my son's, of course Captain America can't really go in a bag, he's too big, and he's got a couple of those other big figurines, but right here he has all his animals in this one. He has a bag, which is probably in the basement right now, with all of his, oh there's a Paw Patrol here. He's got one for Paw Patrol. He has ones, because he likes to play with all the different tennis balls and baseballs, so he's got one for balls. So these are, it's quite a big bag, decent sized bag. This one here, oh, he stickered this one. And this one has just a whole bunch of different cars in it. So I love this because if he just wants to play with cars, he can just go and grab his cars and not dump the whole bin out, and it's not going to be as big of a mess. So definitely check this out. Of course in Avery's here, her stuff is a bit bigger, so we don't usually, this is what she was yelling into before. She typically doesn't, we don't put her stuff in bags too much. And then Elena, my older daughter's, again, she's got one for doll clothes. I think she has one for little ponies, just different things, and it keeps everything tidy. For upstairs, they are generally allowed to keep one big toy on either side. So my daughter has a shopping cart that she usually keeps upstairs. Everything else belongs in the playroom though. And so they're allowed to fill their bin, and that's it. And we usually rotate these books. We rotate them between downstairs and upstairs. So that's how we organize our toys. All right, if you found this video useful and you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're brand new, I would love for you to subscribe and join. I do videos on motherhood, lifestyle, organization, everything in between. So make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified so you don't miss any new upcoming videos. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.